Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back at it again with another video, and today we're gonna be doing maintenance, but like at home. So I'm gonna be doing my hair. I want to kind of relax it, just blow it out a bit, and then I want to recolor it, and then you guys will see the whole procedure as we go along. I hope the idea I have in my head of what I want to do to my hair is actually gonna come out like that, because Jabski. Anyway, I'm gonna be using this soft and free relaxer. I couldn't even show you how I applied this relaxer because that shit burns. That shit. Ooh, cha, my brain is on fire. I don't know if you guys can see that. Relax and color same day. You guys, it's currently morning. It's the next day. I just woke up. First thing I want to do is do my hair and then hop into the shower because I have to wash my hair. And the other thing I love about this dye, it does not have peroxide. It's not strong like the other dyes. It does not burn my hair, nothing, literally nothing. I don't know, not tilted too much. So this brush actually comes from the package. It comes with the dye as well. So I had two because I had bought earlier on before I relaxed my hair. My hair was obviously maroon, and I ended up also shaving my eyebrows, you guys. Not really shaving, but like shaping them, because one thing about me, I'm gonna decide right there and then that I'm gonna do something, and then I'm gonna do it. Anyway, yeah. So I'm done showering and I'm about to do the last step of this hairstyle. Hopefully it's gonna make sense. And there's a bit of life now. We're live. Wow. I don't know if I'm tripping, but I think my face is actually red from the dye. And it dyed my toenails. They were pink, now they're, I don't know I don't know what color this is, but it's fine. We move. I'm probably gonna show you guys what I look like when I come back from work. My ears are red. Ooh. I'm gonna use this soft and free styling gel. I don't have time now, but I'm basically just gonna apply it over my head and hope for the best. Okay, so yeah, I'll get back to you guys with the results. So this is the final look. I tried to like do a pattern. This is actually the second time I'm putting the gel on. The first time was that day when I recorded, and it was a complete disaster because I was supposed to go to work and my hands were red. Everything was red. My face was red. I had to put on makeup to hide the dye on my face. I don't know what happened, because this is not my first time using this dye, but I think because I relaxed my hair or something, the results are kind of different. The other thing is that whenever I put this gel on, right now it's dry, so it's not looking very bad. It's not bad at all, but whenever I put it on, everything becomes red. The comb I'm using, the brush, whatever. But overall, I think when it's dry, it's worth it. So now all I do is a slick back and some edges, but I'm going to be switching up my hair soon, so stay tuned. Goodbye.